good to learn moments from from past routines and past artists, or even just learning a little bit of somebody else's style. You got to learn from somewhere, right? So those who have been there already, that can, kind of guide the kids of tomorrow.
I remember first starting out in dance and just being so excited about all of the opportunities and all of the possibilities. Style is such a major part because it really helps to establish character and story. Christina knows and understands the value of really pulling inspiration from the greats who came before us. I think a lot of the time kids nowadays just kind of see the watered down versions of things, and the original is always the best source. So I'm glad that she's offering that opportunity to the kids.